Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix NTE Neverness to Everness app not working, not opening, keep stopping, not starting or not responding problem on Android phones. So here are the fixes. Now the first and simple fix is to simply restart your device. So just restart your device, and after your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to force stop or force close the NTE Neverness to Everness game. So tap and hold the NTE app icon, then click on app info, then tap on force stop, and then again click on force stop to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then clear the cache of the game. So again tap and hold the NTE app icon, then click on app info, then go to the storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, and then go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then also tap on clear data, but please take a note that clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings, and it will be deleted permanently from this device. And then when you launch the game, then you have to install the required files again, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to allow the background activity for the NTE app. So again tap and hold the NTE app icon, then click on app info, go to the battery usage and then check mark the first option, allow background activity. Again tap on allow to confirm, and then go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then try to reduce the in-game settings. So launch the game. Now this will work only when you are able to launch the game. Then click on this mobile icon at the top right corner. Then tap on the gear icon, that is a setting icon. Now change the graphics quality to smooth, or you can also select performance and check which one work for you. You can also turn off anti-aliasing or change the anti-aliasing to GSR. Rendering accuracy, select low. Frame rate, you can select as per your requirement, 60 or 45. Let the texture mapping low, texture low, foliage low, view distance low, post processing low, brightness adjust as per your according, and make sure motion blur is off. And then you can check if your problem is solved or not. If still your problem is not solved, then return to the login page and then click on this logout icon and confirm logout, and then again log in, and then try to launch the game and check. So simply log out and log in to your account and then check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then the next solution is to check for the NTE Neverness to Everness app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for NTE Neverness to Everness and then tap on it. And if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and after updating it, then you can go back, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for the internet connections. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then launch the game and check. And if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi network or different mobile data via hotspot and then check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN and search for it. And then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as ExpressVPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, NordVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and then connect to a different location than your current location, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So tap and hold the NTE app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device. And after your device restart, launch Play Store, tap on search for NTE Neverness to Everness and then tap on it, and then click on install button to reinstall it. And after installing the game, you can just go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the NTE Neverness to Everness app server status. And if you find that their server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything to fix the problem. You have to just wait for their server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Neverness to Everness app not working, not opening, keep stopping, not starting, or not responding problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.